Student, this is a practical lecture of this week. Here I shared again a problem of a chi-square test. The statement of question is given as 490 candidates for scientific post gave their particulars of their university degree and hobbies. The degrees were math, chemistry, and physics, and the hobbies are classified as music, craft, reading, and drama. Discuss the association between these two categories of classification, that is, degrees and hobbies. Here are the values given. 24 mean the candidate having degree of mathematics and have a hobbies music are 24. There are 11 candidates whose hobbies are craft work and their subject is mathematics. Similarly, other observations have been given here. Now I will copy these observations from here and paste in a SPSS data sheet, which I have already been pasted here. These are the data which has been pasted from Excel sheet. And 111 mean that is the first subject. The first subject is mathematics. There are 4 categories of mathematics subjects according to the categories of the hobbies, that is music, craft work, reading, and drama. Similarly, 2 means the second category of subject, that is chemistry, and third physics, and 1 2 3 for the hobbies, first hobby, second hobby, third hobby, and fourth hobby. These values has been named as number of candidates. The values has been named as number of candidates, subject of candidates, and hobbies of the candidate. Here we assign the values from subjects, that is subject 1 for I think mathematics, math, and added this value. Second for chemistry, and third for physics, third category for physics. Physics, added this value also. Okay, these values have been assigned categorical values, that is 1 2 3 4 5, and it is a nominal scale. Now come on hobbies. Hobbies, first for music, added. Number 2, craft work, added. Third for reading, fourth for drama, okay, and it is also nominal scale. Now go on data view. Also change their decimal points, which is equal to 0. There is no decimal points after points, therefore they will be 0. Now come on data view, analyze, descriptive statistics, cross tabs. Here we have put rows as subject of candidates, hobbies of candidate, then subject of candidates, column subject of candidates, and test statistics is a chi-square test. In cells we will observe and expected values, both will be required. Now come on weight. Here is a small icon of the balance, weighted. Here we have select the weight is for weight case, and then number of candidates. Okay, and now okay the in output the output has been generated here. The output has been generated here for hobbies and mathematics. For music there are 24 candidates. This is the observed value and 19.4 is the expected value. Similarly, there are 11 for craft work and mathematics, and 15.8 is the expected value. Similarly, 32 reading and mathematics under mathematics, and there are 29.3 expected values. The other values has also been given here. You can see, and the chi-square value is 54.105. Degree of freedom 6. Degree of freedom means there are number of hobbies 4 and number of subjects 2. 3 sorry, 3 minus 1 2 and 4 minus 1 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 degree of freedom, and it has the level of p value is 0.000, which is less than 0.05, so it is highly significant. It means there are a strong association between subjects and hobbies. The null hypothesis will be as there is no association between two categories, that is subjects and hobbies. And alternative hypothesis, there is an association between subjects and hobbies. An alternative hypothesis has been accepted, and the null hypothesis has been rejected here.